Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download H.265 export settings for fast upload step by step clearly. Begin by opening your video editing software. Ensure you have your project or video ready for export. Locate the export or render option in the menu. Select the appropriate export format options. Choose H.265 from the list of available codecs. Adjust the resolution settings to match your desired output. Set the frame rate based on your project specifications. Look for the bitrate settings to optimize upload speed. Select a target bitrate that balances quality and file size. If available, enable variable bitrate for better efficiency. Navigate to audio settings to select the desired audio codec. Adjust the audio bitrate for optimal audio quality. Double-check the file destination to ensure it is. Name your file appropriately for easy identification. Review all settings to ensure they meet your needs. Click the Export or Render button to begin the process. Wait for the rendering to complete, which may take a few moments. Once done, locate your exported file in the destination folder. You are now ready to upload your video quickly using H.265 export settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.